Hello, here I am, Ipsa, with some further episodes of Defects of Eye. So, today we'll be covering two small topics. I'll try to keep the video as small as possible. The two topics that we are covering are when we are not able to see far, we discussed what all happens. So, why does that happen? Okay, we said that lens becomes thick. So, but why does lens become thick? That we'll understand, and we'll understand at a far point. Normal like a far point we've done, we'll do far point. Suppose we are undergoing this disease, we are undergoing myopia. So then what is the far point? These two topics will be coming, covering. Okay, so first we just a quick revision. When we have myopia, which is near sightedness, so what all happens? What happens? What all happens? Yes. What all happens is that the lens has become fat, alright. Also, the ciliary muscles have become very tight. Then we know that the focal length has become small, the converging power has increased. This is the gist of myopia. And what is it? That if I have a mobile phone which I'm trying to read, and this is my eye, oh, it is. If there's a mountain and there's a small house on it, and I'm looking from far, this is where I am. I can't see this small little house which is far off clearly. I can't see this house. Aha. I remember class 1 KG, we used to draw these mountains and houses. Okay, so this person is trying to see a small house on a far off mountain, but is not able to see it clearly. Okay, this is just of myopia और nearsightedness. Okay, अब ये सब कुछ revolves around ये क्यों हो जाता है, या तो ये क्यों हो जाता है, लेंस मोटा क्यों हो जाता है अचानक ही, ठीक तो था, पतला तो था, मोटा क्यों हो गया, और एक ciliary muscles इतना टाइट क्यों हो गए. So the reasons for not seeing far, not being, आपने नोटिस किया होगा मैं कभी कभी जो इंग्लिश के बीच के छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स होते हैं वो खा जाती हूँ. That's because I want to make it fast, and is and that, not all these small words I eat up, and I'm just talking in the more important nouns and the actual verb and all that. Anyways, so reasons for not being able to see far. See how big a system is. So ये मोटा क्यों हो जाता है? The reasons remain same as in hypermetropia. The first reason is that the muscles have become strained, lazy, contracted permanently. मतलब वो कुछ भी कोशिश कर लें वो ढीला ही नहीं हो पा रही है. अब ये क्यों हो जाएगा, क्यों हमारी मसल टाइट की टाइट रह जाएगी. आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यस्टरडे, अगर आप किसी पेपर, आप पूरे दिन फोन पढ़ते रहो तो पूरे दिन योर मसल आर टाइट, पास की चीज़ देख रहे हो आपकी मसल्स आर टाइट. अगर आप देखते जा रहे हो 10-12 घंटे तो उसको रिलैक्स होने का टाइम ही नहीं मिला, उसको आदत ही नहीं रही कि वो रिलैक्स मोड में चले जाए, वो हमेशा ही स्ट्रेस में रहेगी, हमेशा ही स्ट्रेस में रहेगी. It will take that permanent shape and not be able to become thin. So this is what it is. The muscles have become strained. Uh, they have lost ability to thin down, to relax. Same cheese. They have lost the ability to thin down. नेक्स्ट द सेम थिंग कैन हैपन टू द लेंस ऑल्सो. वो इतना मोटा है कि उसको आदत ही हो गई है कि वो पतला नहीं ही हो सकता. उसको आप कुछ भी कर लो, द लेंस इज has become stiff and fat. Or like we discussed earlier, there may be some nutritional disorders कि उन बेचारों को ढंग से न्यूट्रिशन नहीं मिल रहा है, तो उसकी वजह से जो उनकी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है, जो दे वर अजाइल एंड ऑल दैट, दे आर लूजिंग दोज प्रॉपर्टीज. उनके अंदर विटामिन की कमी आ रही है या मिनरल्स की कमी आ रही है. दे आर लूजिंग देयर एजिलिटी एंड फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. नाउ ये तो सिंपल समझ आ जाता है ये सब. ओके, एक जो दूसरी चीज़ है विच नीड्स टू बी एक्सप्लेन्ड प्रॉपरली इज दैट our eyeball, it was there in the previous topic also. In eyeball, the eyeball becomes long. This is usually by birth. Becomes nahi, it is the eye lens, the eyeball is long, even if the lens is fine. The eyeball is long even if the lens or the muscles are healthy. If something like this happens, then also we can't see far off objects. Okay, so let's discuss this in detail. Okay, I hope you've noted it down. We'll discuss कि eyeball क्या चक्कर है, by birth ये क्या डिफेक्ट आ जाता है कि eyeball लंबी हो गई है. It can happen. See, some people they're tall, they're short. Some people have long fingers, some have thin, short fingers. So it is possible to have different sized eyeballs also. तो अगर eyeball तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही लंबी हो जाए, अब किसी की ज़्यादा ही लंबी हो जाए, ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत चेंजेस अलाउड है विद डिफरेंट पीपल. द साइज ऑफ आई बॉल मे बी डिफरेंट. सॉरी, आई जस्ट adjusted. But if it becomes too long for then what happens? We are saying that in this case, what we are assuming that eye lens is thin. It's good, perfect. There's no problem with this. We are assuming that the muscles are perfect. Really, they are perfect. फिर भी we can't see far off. We can't see far off. Why? So here is the explanation. We said that the eyeball okay, we'll start with the far off rays, right? These are the far off rays. We understood that they come almost parallel. Now this is the eyeball which I'm making extra long. When I say long, this is what I mean. From here it becomes long, which means that the distance between the eye lens and the retina is very, very large. This is what is meant by long eyeball. So the eye lens will be here. It is thin and fine, no problem with it. The muscles are absolutely relaxed. They have no issue. But the retina is too far. Have we ever made a diagram with retina so far? No. Anyways, now let's see what's happening to these rays. अभी जितना भी पतला हो गया, it has a limitation to how big it was designed. It was originally designed for an eye whose size was this. This was the originally designed eyeball size. It was designed for an eyeball size of probably this much. Alright, this is the correct eyeball. This is long eyeball. Now, if this lens is designed for the correct eyeball, what will happen? The rays will meet here. The focal point of this lens is here. They have to meet at retina. They're meeting at retina in a normal situation, and the focus is here. Now, here the lens is same. Right? There's no change in the lenses. We said the lens remains same. The ciliary muscles are fine. Lens is fine, so उसकी focal length तो यही रहेगी ना. Focal length थोड़ा change हो जाएगी. उसका जो distance है 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 5 centimeter, that will remain that only. So what will it do? Can it send the light to retina? No. It cannot send the light to retina because it has to focus it on focus only. It has to make them meet on focus only. That's what is convergence. That's what happens to parallel rays. ये आई लेंस फोकस पे मीट करा देता है. अब ये फोकस बना किस साइज की आई बॉल के लिए था? इसके लिए फोकस उसकी फोकल लेंथ रिमेन्स सेम. सो हियर ऑल्सो फोकस वाज हियर ओनली. तो उसने यहाँ पे जाके मीट करा दी. पर हमारा रेटिना है कहाँ? The person who's suffering from this defect, उसका है कहाँ? Poor that person, his retina is still far. The rays have met here as per the rules of the lens, जितना उसको चाहिए था, but the retina is accidentally by birth too far. What to do? The result remains same. Rays not on retina. This is all repetition. Rays meeting before retina and unclear vision. The effect remains same because this effect is same, that the rays are meeting before the retina. Very sad, right? Everything is all right, you've been taking care, you've been exercising, everything. But by birth you have this defect. Can't help it, the rays will, it can't become thin beyond a point. अब कोई आप कहो कि कोई adult 30 किलो से 10 किलो का बन जाए, that's not possible, ना? So there is a limit to how thin it can become. There's a limit to how big the focal length can be. ये इससे पतला हो ही नहीं सकता है. There's a limit to it. Okay, so we've understood what is this reason कि अगर too long eyeball हो जाती है तो भी हमें दूर की चीज क्यों नहीं नजर आती. Okay, now the second thing that we wanted to discuss was far point. Ideal far point हमने क्या देखा था? Where you can see clearly. जितनी दूर हम clearly देख सकते हैं normal eye के लिए. And we said for the normal eye that the far point is infinity. हम बहुत दूर तक infinite distance तक बहुत clearly देख सकते हैं. So it was कि for normal eye the far point was minus infinity. Minus, I just assume you all understand the sign and nomenclature. It's basically दूर तक आप देख सकते हो जितना दूर बचे. But a defect eye with defect in eye in this case will have a far point of not infinity. What may क्या हो सकती है? हो सकता है it is 2 meters. हो सकता है it is 1 meter. हो सकता है it is 50 centimeter, though it's too less. But anyways, instead of being able to, आप जो बोर्ड पढ़ रहे हो वो आप बोर्ड अपनी सीट से लास्ट बेंच से नहीं पढ़ सकते हो. आपको क्या करना पड़ता है फिर when you're suffering from this? आपको फर्स्ट बेंच पे जाके बैठना पड़ता है एंड फिर आपको बोर्ड दिख जाता है. तो इसको मतलब आपको क्या हो रहा है, आप जो दूर की चीज़ है आप दूर से नहीं देख सकते हो, आपको दूर की चीज़ को पास लाना पड़ता है तो आप देख सकते हो. योर फार पॉइंट विच वुड हैव बीन इन्फिनिटी, लास्ट बेंच से दिख जाना चाहिए था पर लास्ट बेंच से नहीं दिख रहा है, आपको वो दूर की चीज़ पास लानी पड़ रही है फिर दिख रही है. आप फर्स्ट बेंच पे बैठोगे तो दिखेगी. इसका मतलब जो आप फर्देस्ट देख सकते हो कि जितना दूर क्लियरेस्ट देख सकते हो, विच इज द फार पॉइंट, हैज बिकम दिस. द फार पॉइंट F have become -2 meter or -1 meter or some value it has taken. वो इनफाइनाइट नहीं बचा है. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? एंड हाउ डू वी डिराइव दिस? दिस इज कि okay, so we keep it here that for a defective eye the far point you cannot, आपको अपने पास लाना पड़ता है और तो आपका फार पॉइंट इन्फिनिटी नहीं बचता, आपको फर्स्ट बेंच पे बैठ के जाना पड़ता है एंड योर फार पॉइंट बिकम्स 1 or 2 meters. We'll close it here and then in the next episode we'll do the corrections of this disease. Okay, have a good day.